How to turn off the sound on key press as well as that vibrate feedback that you get every time you're tapping on a key for your Gboard keyboard. This is with the late 2025 update, and let's go ahead and do this. Whether you're using an Android phone or a Samsung phone, if you are about to start typing here, your keyboard's gonna pop up like this here, and you'll wanna tap on the settings icon right there. As you do this, you're gonna see where it says Preferences, this option right here, the second one. As you enter here, you'll want to go down and you're going to see the key press option. So you'll see the one for the sound here, and you can also adjust the volume of it. So this will give you a louder or lower volume feedback. Then you also have the option to simply just turn it off if you don't want it. For the vibrate, when you tap on a key, you also have the same options. You got the strength vibration here. You can adjust that. And you also have the option to simply just turn it off, which is this one right here. By turning these two off, that's going to disable the sound and the vibrate for your Gboard keyboard, like and sub.